rock, rock. Step, back, side, close. Right? So you need to turn. Rock turn is in general, it is a quarter to your right. I am diagonal or line of dance. Slow turn. I need to place my girl and then I rock to my right. Okay? So if I do it together with my lady, before rocking, I need to place my lady. Oh, that's a nice hit. Okay? And slow, place her on your right. She's there. Now we're rocking. Rock, rock. Step, step, side, close. Right? Yeah. Okay? So gentlemen, literally place your hand on your right hip, and when you move, you need to place your hand above your toe. Because that's the girl. She needs to be right here. Okay? Let's do it together. I think we can do